Does the idea of figuring out how to take care of yourself during maternity leave completely overwhelm you as a work-at-home mom? Today we're going to dive into a few things that I have found really helpful in preparing for my postpartum and maternity leave season as a busy work-at-home mom going into my 5th baby. Stay tuned. Hello, wonderful work-at-home moms. Today, we're tackling a topic that's incredibly important, but often overlooked: self-care during pregnancy and maternity leave as a work-at-home mom. There are a lot of challenges and changes happening in your life during this season. So here's your older sister sharing some of what she's learned through her 4 going on 5 maternity leaves. Grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's explore some tips and strategies for nurturing ourselves during this really wild season. Before we delve into the practical tips, let's take a moment to understand why self-care is so vital during pregnancy and maternity leave. Pregnancy is a beautiful yet very demanding experience, both physically and emotionally. And once your little one arrives, the demands of motherhood can be all-consuming. By prioritizing self-care, we not only nurture ourselves, but also lay a foundation for our own well-being and that of our growing family. One thing that I do want to clarify is that while I am using the word self-care, I generally don't like the mentality that goes along with that word. That being said, you are human and humans have needs, and while most of our work-at-home life is filled with concerning ourselves with everybody else, sometimes we have to take some time to prioritize how to care for ourselves in this season. Your action step here is to reflect on why self-care is important to you personally and how it can positively impact your pregnancy and maternity leave experience. One of the key aspects of self-care during pregnancy and maternity leave is managing stress and anxiety. So I want you to take some time to identify the stressors in your life and explore some techniques that you can use to cope with them, whether it's going to be deep breathing exercises, taking a couple minutes to calm down, or even taking a walk out in nature. Find what works for you and make sure that you can find a way to prioritize that in your daily routine. Before you have baby, this is a great time to make a list of some of the stress relief techniques that make the most impact for your life and that resonate with you, and then you can incorporate them into your daily self-care routine. Maintaining your physical health is equally important during pregnancy and maternity leave. So focus on nourishing your body with wholesome foods and staying hydrated and engaging in gentle exercises that feel good for you once you've been cleared by your health professional. A lot of them will say about 6 weeks, but you could be a little before that or a little after that, just depending on your labor and delivery process. Remember to listen to your body and give it the rest that it needs. One book that I found really helpful for nutrition during postpartum is called The First 40 Days. This book covers some really interesting topics about the types of foods that your body digests the best during postpartum, even including things like avoiding cold foods like salads and focusing on warm nourishment like soups with amazing herbs in them. Of course, I also want you to remember that this isn't the season for you to bounce back, so I don't want you to get so focused on that end result. Rest is going to be key. Obviously, the last thing that a postpartum mom needs is another to-do list. So if you can find someone who can help you prepare for your postpartum season, whether it's by helping you prepare nourishing foods or helping you keep your house clean, that can make a huge difference in that season. Also, if you're looking for some really good postnatal vitamins, I'm going to put together a little quick guide with links for everything that I'm mentioning and the tools that I love. You can get the link down in the description and I'll email it to you. But I love Mega Food vitamins, by the way. Your action step here is to plan and prepare healthy meals and snacks in advance to ensure that you're fueling your body with the nutrients that it needs during pregnancy and postpartum. Sometimes utilizing these last weeks of pregnancy and all of the hormones that come with it and the energy that comes with it is a great way to use that energy, is by fixing food. Nurturing yourself mentally can look different for everybody, so consider what types of things that will help you the most during this season. Some of my favorite maternity leave memories were filled with cozying up on the couch with my baby and enjoying books, trainings, and other shows that I hadn't had time for before. You may find yourself with a lot of downtime in this season, so plan accordingly. I got myself a wireless phone charger and a really nice headset so that I could listen to audiobooks in the middle of the night and charge my phone even if I wasn't next to an outlet. Your action step here is to think of ways that you want to enjoy your maternity leave and stock up on those things. You might also want to prepare a little nursing basket for yourself that will have things like notebooks, pens, a few snacks, your water bottle, anything you want to have with you so that you can carry it around the house with you. Self-compassion is also a really powerful tool for navigating the ups and downs of pregnancy and maternity leave. So you're gonna have to be really kind to yourself and embrace imperfection and let go of the unrealistic expectations. Remember that you're doing the best you can. That's more than enough. And no matter what Instagram and Pinterest tell you, postpartum is kind of messy, it's kind of crazy, and it's a whole season all in itself. Practice self-compassion by speaking to yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during moments of self-doubt or frustration. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of connecting with others during pregnancy and maternity leave. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family members, and other fellow moms. Share your experiences, seek advice, and find solace in knowing that you're not alone on this journey. This is what the Mom Desk Club is all about, after all, finding women who are navigating similar balances to you. Your action step here is to take a few minutes to schedule regular social activities or support group meetings to stay connected with others and build a strong support network. This could involve your co-op that you get together with for your already growing children. It could involve church. It could involve finding a book club. There's lots of ways that you can find people to connect with. Or you can join the Mom Desk Club. There's that. And there you have it, some practical tips for practicing self-care during pregnancy and maternity leave. By prioritizing your well-being, you're not only nurturing yourself, but you're also setting a positive example for your little one. Remember, self-care is not selfish, even if I don't really care for the term a whole lot, but it is essential. So make yourself a priority in this season as you are going through a lot of changes. Embrace the beautiful journey with love and compassion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the rest of the videos in this season all about maternity leave. Catch you later.